Michelle, there have been some narratives that beer was going to decline in popularity. You yourself, I don't think at AB InBev, and we have not seen that come to bear. I don't think beer is still very popular. Also, some recent acquisitions that created this giant company that you are did take on a lot of debt. Can you speak to whether you have enough money to grow more quickly, to actually innovate and market all of your beer offerings and still reduce debt over time?
Hey, Joe, this is a great question. So beer is a big category, very profitable, globally gaining share of throat. So is improving its position of strength in the market overall, led a lot by emerging markets, but in very developed markets, we also see the category very healthy. Our position is moving from leaders in this category to leading category growth. We've been investing a lot in initiatives to improve our products, our portfolio, and to expand the category. So during the fourth quarter this year, results that we just announced, we achieved all-time high volumes for the company, which is one more proof point that beer is big and is growing and gaining share of throat globally. Our portfolio continues to evolve as consumer preferences, they evolve. We are always adapting and innovating. Innovation made up 10% of our revenues last year, $5 billion in total revenues, and we are leading innovation across most of our markets.
Michelle, we don't have a lot of time. When a couple of your peers, Heineken, Carlsberg, warned about price hikes and how it could hurt beer consumption because you're going to have to raise prices most likely, you did not mention global inflation or increased input costs. They could get even worse with this latest news that we're having out of Ukraine in terms of inflation. Could you comment on that and prospects for margins and price hikes?
We've been operating in a very challenging environment and very dynamic. And when you put this all together in the last 2 years, I'm very pleased with the results. As a company, we've been very agile and flexible in adapting to the conditions. And we put all this together, we delivered double-digit top line and bottom line last year. Our top line was 15% ahead of our bottom line, as it is our outlook for this year. But we've been managing these dynamics very well. I'm very proud of our team and all the investments that we've been made over the last few years, improving data, becoming more a tech-first type of CPG, so we can put our brands to work with the right data, with the right technology to be more efficient.